You must generate and activate your NSS PIN before registration. Go to the official NSS website. Click on online registration. Insert your index number. Paste your activated PIN code. You need to select a means of identification. Select one of the 5 options and enter the ID number. After entering the ID number, you verify if the person found is you. If it's not you, you go back. If it's you, you continue. So it means I'll continue. Now you have to upload a passport picture. If your passport picture doesn't have the recommended size, I'm going to show you how to resize your passport picture. Log on to www.img.togo.com to resize your passport picture. Click on resize image. Choose the file you want to resize or the passport picture you want to resize. Select the target format and change it to JPG, and then we'll change the size to 150 by 200 as recommended. Then you click on start to resize the image. You download it. Now you can see the details. We are going to enter our personal information. We should know that all the parts with the asterisk symbol is mandatory. You cannot skip those parts, but the ones without the asterisk can be ignored or updated later. You can skip that part. I'll blur out my basic info. All you need to do is to select your gender, select your date of birth, type in your residential address, type in your GPS address if you have any, select residential district, you select residential region, town and community, your mobile number, your marital status and others. Please make sure you use a valid email account because that email account will be your user ID. Next, you type in your guardian's name, your guardian's phone number and others, and then your next of kin's name, the phone number of your next of kin, and the relationship between you and your next of kin. Now you answer yes or no to the employment history questions. Okay, trouser length, shirt neck. You can skip the parts without the asterisk, and then this is very important, the order of priority of regions you wish to be posted to. So you select in that order. Select your first region, second region and third region. I'll select Asante for the first, then I think I'll select Greater Accra, and then the language proficiency, language you can speak and write, international language and your local languages. These are basic information. And then you select your industrial preference, the sectors you want to be posted to. You'll be given a final submission form to cross-check if any of the information that you have provided is not correct, or maybe you have mistyped any of the information. Make any changes you want to make before finally submitting it for registration. Registration is successful. I now have an NSS PIN. I'll save it as a PDF file and print it later. Log in with your user ID. Your user ID is the email you used during the registration, and then your password. Your password is the activated PIN code. After pasting the activated PIN code in the password section, you will be given an option to create a new password. The old password is my PIN code, so I'll just paste it and create a new password. Creating a new password, you select a secret question that will help you to restore your password if you forget it. My dashboard has been successfully created. That is how to create an NSS dashboard.